The coronavirus crisis has paralyzed Spain's tourism industry along with the country's summer economy. But tourists may soon be able to flock back to Spain's beaches thanks to a new grid system to enforce social distancing. Atika Schubert has the details.
If you're dreaming of a beach holiday, coastal towns across Spain have been working overtime to prove they can keep visitors safe. But it won't be as simple as laying out your beach blanket.
In Canet d'en Berenguer on Spain's Mediterranean coast, a grid is being laid in the sand to allot 9 square meter spaces for visitors. Beachgoers will need to book space on an app to get access with appointed arrival times. The mayor says the new normality brings new beaches. We will adapt. We will try to enjoy it in the best possible way, he says. In San Xexo, on the Atlantic coast, the mayor plans to reopen with a similar grid system and a maximum capacity of 2,300 beachgoers a day. That's less than 75% of previous summers. He says it's a plan that will keep the safety distance between people who come to enjoy the beach. At all Spanish beaches, changing rooms and bathrooms will be subject to strict disinfection with limited capacity. Sun loungers and parasols will need to be cleaned at regular intervals and kept at least 2 meters apart. For locals, the new rules will be worth it if it can help to revive the summer economy. It depends on how many people come to the beach, this man tells us. If it continues as it is now, only for residents, it wouldn't be necessary. But if tourists come and people from abroad, I think it would be a good idea.
The Prime Minister says he wants to make Spain the safest holiday destination in Europe, which is why the country is only gradually lifting those coronavirus restrictions. The idea is to make guaranteed health and safety as much of a selling point as Spain's sun, sea, and sand.
Less than half of Americans say they would get a vaccine for the coronavirus if one was available. That's according to a new study from the Associated Press. The analysts surveyed more than 1,000 people and found only 49% would get the vaccine if it was an option. 31% were on the fence, while 20% completely ruled out the idea over safety concerns. 42% of people said they didn't want to take the vaccine for fear of contracting COVID-19 from it. Health experts say potential vaccines currently in the works do not have particles or strains of COVID-19 in them.